Queens? It's your girl 𝕙𝕬𝕠. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? Happy Main Monday, ladies. Today I'm going to be putting my hair up in a nice little sleek puff. As you can see, it has been raining and it has been humid. Putting my hair in a puff takes less than 5 minutes and is one of those go-to styles for like a lazy hair day, something that I need to do quick. If I'm between wash days, if I just really don't feel like doing anything much to my hair, then that's kind of what I'll do. I try not to do it too much just because I don't want to pull on my edges too much. However, it is definitely a puff type of weekend with the rain and the humidity lately. So that's what we're going to do. Comment below some of your favorite like lazy day hairstyles. Do you go to a puff, or are you like, I just would rather wear my hair out in the fro? Is a fro your lazy hairstyle? Because honestly, I feel like it takes more for me to do my fro than it would for me to do my puff. Am I crazy? I don't know. But before I get into the quick little tutorial, if you have not done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure that you tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads. Alright guys, so as you can see, my hair is already up, but because it was raining, it got kind of frizzy, so I'm going to redo this because I still have to go back out. So I'm just going to let my hair back out and start from scratch. So I'm just going to start out with water, rehydrate my hair. Start by rehydrating my hair. Using the same curling cream I always use. Just a little bit though, I'm not going to use a lot. The key is making sure your hair is moisturized and not dried out. Just gonna brush my hair, try and lay it down a little bit since it did get kind of frizzy while I was out due to the rain. And the gel I'm gonna be using today is different. I normally don't use this gel. I am borrowing this gel from my mom. It's the Wetline Extreme. And I've only used this gel like twice, I think, but I like it. It doesn't make my hair super hard, but it does lay my edges down pretty good, and it also helps to bring out my natural curls. And I haven't experienced any flaking from it, so far, so good. My glasses are falling off. Whoa. There we go. She's back. Almost dropped gel on myself. Alright, and before I actually put my hair up in this puff, I'm going to just take a brush, slick my edges. Really should have probably worn my contacts today, but I did not. So here we are. Okay. All right, so for my puff, I'm actually using like a stocking. I just literally cut it off. Yeah, so I cut the stocking, and actually no, this one is just like a knee high, like the nylon knee highs. You can get them for like 99 cents. I think this one came from Walgreens, and I'm just gonna tie it. So here. Just tie it in the back. The key is to like, and I know it looks like I'm gonna be pulling like super tight. The key is to tighten it as you're pulling it so that it's tight here and it gives you a nice slick. But you don't want it to be too tight to where it's giving you a headache throughout the day. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm actually gonna loosen it up just a little bit so that it doesn't get too tight, because it'll give me a headache. So I normally just tie it once, and then I tuck the ends underneath. And voila. So what I'm going to do is just fluff through. I'm going to take a little bit more gel and just go back through and slick, slick. Then my edges secure my hairs. Tie it over to lay my edges down. Normally I'll leave this tied for about 20 minutes or so before I have to leave the house. That way my hair is secure. So I will check back in with you guys after this has laid my hair down for about 20 minutes, and then I'll go back through and just kind of fluff out the puff, and we'll go from there. I'll show you the finished look. All right, so as you can see, my edges are laid now. I left the scarf on for about 20 minutes and took it off. I have not really thoroughly fluffed through my puff so that it can be, stretched out. I'm just showing you the back of my head for the purpose of showing that my hair is laid. So here's just a closer look at my edges. Again, I used the Wetline Extreme Gel this time instead of the Eco Styler Gel, and my scarf for about 20 minutes. And now I'm just going to go through and fluff my puff through. Again, this puff is like one of my favorite transition styles between wash days. So yeah, there you have it. All right guys, that's all I have for you all today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also tap the notification bell. Yeah, I'll see you on the next Main Monday.